Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you to a 786 square feet 2-bedder. This 2-bedder comes with a very functional layout. Right in front of me is actually the open concept kitchen. It comes with a built-in fridge, an oven, and as you can see the kitchen cabinet set are just right in front of me. The uniqueness of this unit is that even though it's a 2-bedder, but it still comes with a laundry yard, as you can see right in front of me, whereby you can place a washer and dryer. Now I'm going to head up to the living and dining area. Right here is actually the dining area, and there will be the living room area. This unit is actually facing south. There won't be any hot west sun, and the beauty of this unit is that it actually has a very nice unblocked view of the landed houses, so you can be assured of full privacy and also a very quiet street below. Now I'm walking towards the bedroom cluster. Before the bedroom, it also comes with a very functional storeroom, and this unit comes with 2 bathrooms as well. This is the first common toilet. It's actually very spacious and modern design. Now I'm heading towards to the first common bedroom. This common bedroom can house a super single bed easily, and it also comes with a very nice balcony overlooking the landed houses as well. Okay, let us go into the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. As you can see here, this is actually the attached bathroom. It is also very spacious and of modern design. Now check out the master room. The master room is actually very spacious. You can house a queen size bed very easily, and it also comes with a very useful balcony overlooking the landed houses as well. And for this unit, the wardrobe is actually in this section of the house. Please contact me if you have interest in this beautiful unit at Alright 83. Thank you so much.